To Africa, easily to Bopoko, from Cape to Cairo, Morocco to Madagascar, no settler can claim an inch of our land. Welcome to the Azanian podcast right here on TikTok. We're also available, Africa, on YouTube. Tonight, Africa, as we're heading to the local government elections on the 4th of November 2026, we want to address the failures of the current government, which has led in the last 30 years regarding to service delivery. We have seen in the townships our streets being filled with garbage. We don't see municipality trucks collecting garbage on time. We have seen the litter. We have seen the sanitation, sewages running through the streets and houses. Even the video we just posted of Abogogo calling on municipalities up to MMCs asking for assistance with regarding to any problems regarding sanitation and drainages, with assistance even not being received for 4 months. This has become common for our people. Water shortages, electricity cut-offs all the time, transformers bursting in the middle of winter, with people being left without electricity for days and days on end, even weeks, and nothing being done about it. Service delivery not happening in Azania for our people as requested. We have seen potholes around our towns, our townships, our villages. We have seen so many issues. Yet people are expected to pay for services which are not rendered. Local government has completely collapsed in Azania under the leadership of the African National Congress government. It's simply not caring, simply not being bothered, is what our people keep saying about their municipalities. We used to have municipal workers reading water. We used to have trucks with municipal workers in uniform working on the days they're supposed to be working and collecting garbage. We used to have municipal workers, whenever you would call for services such as blockages of drainages and so forth, that service been rendered within hours. Now you can stay in your house, you can stay on your street without proper sanitation issues being handled, blockages. Ugogo just said on the previous video, for 4 months, her entire house has been riddled with sewage. And she calls for assistance. She's taken from one person to the other, but there is no service. This has become common. And the problem is not that there are no people to do this work, it's because they choose not to. You can ask me, Africa, when trucks, one, you find that municipalities don't have enough trucks. You find that they do not have PPE workwear for the municipal workers. I mean, we've seen municipal workers working in their clothes. Garbage not being collected. Our people having to dump garbages in ezinto babiza ukuthi etipini. Athi umuntu hayi ngizoyithanda elahle etipini because umasipala akafiki bayoyichisa khona. Izindlu nezitrato zidame yisurage umasipala akafiki, i-drains blocked. I-transformer ezilokishini ebusika oko kuthiwe ziyaqhashumba because there's no service abasevisi okokuqala. Akho nto bayisevisayo, akho nto ilandelelwayo. Only xa kunengxaki, then they come and say, we'll fix. Can you explain to me why iztrato zethu zilohlobo zikhona kodwa public works ukhona umasipala ukhona? And you find that all those entities where for the municipalities have completely collapsed. omasipala bebene communal pools. Uba kuthiwa la pool biye kamasipala so uyazi ngokuthi kuphelile ngayo. And our people is the right to have service delivery, and it is what makes the country function at local level first. We understand what is happening at national, but if local, no matter what they can say kwa national, baniki imali allocate kwamasipala, uba iservice ayenzeki apha at local government, akho nto yenzeka elizweni, ilizwe liyaphela. Abantu bethu bayasafarisha because there's nothing happening at local government. If into ayenzeki kwa local government, lo country leyo elo lizwe alifunctioni because into iqala ebantwini ku local government. And sibonile ukuthi lo Khongolose ebephethe lonke elixesha akhonto ekhathelele ngoku local government, akhonto ekhathelele ebantwini ezantsi. As long as imali beyinikiwe allocateelwe kuphelele apho. So uzibone lo service delivery. Bane bill abazikhuphayo, invoicing or whatever you want to call it, ephuma kumasipala kuthiwe eyamanzi, drainage, yamanzi, sewage and all these things. Uzibuza ukuthi le mali ibalwe nini njani? Kuba mina ndikhumbula ukuthi umuntu oza kwam ezobala imitha, ezojonga le nale, ezocollect igarbage. Inoba ke ngokule mali uyibale njani? These are the complaints our people are experiencing on a daily basis ku local government. Bafika kwamasipala kho kwa umuntu ozomnceda, kodwa xa ufuneke bengenamali zesalary zabo bathumela abantu ibill ukuthi bablock baqokelele imali phinde kuqala eqaleni. Ngeservices ebemere babantu bethu bayazifumana kodwa bazifumani. Ezi right zabo ezilungelo labo because uservice delivery lilungelo lomuntu wonke. Icollapsile yona service delivery kumdaka eAzania, kumdaka kodwa akho mdaka yaxoka. Kumdaka apho uhamba strato na strato yilithi bungena ezilokishini kumdaka ndawo yonke. Umuntu athi amanzi nawo iveki 2 weeks amane ecinywa, umbani andinawo i2 weeks into kusebusika sesiyazi ukuthi umbani uzawuqhashumba, imigqomo igcwele pha phandle abantu bade bazichisele. Local government wethu. And the Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania is the only liberation movement that can fix this problem. Kuba amachata uyisiwe. Kiwi imali qha kwa local government, amachata uyisiwe wona. Amachata oyisiwe ngu local government. Noba bangapha phezulu esichokweni phezulu, bebe nehlelo eziphezulu, bakho nto yenzeka ezantsi ukuthi bantwini akho nto yenzekayo eAzania. Kho rhulumente apho. Bakho kuthi apha ezantsi kuthi akho rhulumente apho. Akho rhulumente ezozihlalo zabo bangazigcina futhi, akho rhulumente apho. Rhulumente funeka simbone apha kuthi ebantwini basithi abavotayo ndithi sithi ababeke ezihlalweni. So bemere ukuthi ezindawo sibanike zona siyibona apha kuthi umehluko. So xa singayibona apha kuthi umehluko akho rhulumente apho. Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania is the only liberation movement that can fix Azania. Yiyo khoyo for umuntu ontsundu, yiyo khoyo for umuntu omnyama, yiyo khoyo for umuntu. iPAC umbutho wazi umuntu. Lento kuthiwa ngumuntu intoni. Nke nabona ematyotyombeni kunjani abantu abanazo nee-toilets imikhukwini. Gcwele imikhukhu. Umkhukhu ingathi yilali. Uhambe kuba bona eKapa. Uhamba umgama omde uwajongile umgama omde ingathi ilali yonke idolophu yonke imikhukhu. Banazo nee-toilet, abanayo nemibane, abanayo namanzi. Local government wamachata ebephethe for le minyaka i-30 igqithileyo, 30 plus. Kho local government eAzania. Local government yena kuthiwe oomasipala babo are in the red qho, in the red njani. Bavuka pha every day bapha emisebenzini. Izwe lethu ma-Afrika malilungise ilizwe lethu. Votelani PAC, ayikho elinye, awukho omnye umbutho ozawuyenza yonke lento for abantu bethu. Sithi majority, sithi abantu abaninzi, sithi abantu abadingise bahoye pha esabhabsini qha. babe ngathi bayasebenza kwakulo Kapa bawe phayese yani ezilokishini yani ezilalini yani imikhukhwini ubani ufuna ubona uba lento kuthiwa i-service delivery intoni ayikho i-service delivery azaniye baxela ngeesabhabhu nento nazo phofu ke ufike nabo abasebenawo namanzi oko nabo umbani wabehamba kodwa bengcono bona kunabantu aba bethu izwe lethu maAfrika